معايا نسوي رقصة بيا يبلي واحد كرك يلا بيا طق سيارة بوليس يلا يلا سوي رقصة ثانية رقصة المطرب ولا سمة
Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to make these viral AI dance videos from scratch, and yes, you can do it for free. Open your browser and search for Klingai. Click the first result and enter the site. On the left menu, go to Video Generation, then select Motion Control. Next, open the Motion library. You'll find a bunch of built-in motion templates here. For beginners, I recommend starting with Cute Baby Dance, it works great. Now upload the photo you've prepared. Click Generate and just wait a bit. That's it. Klingai gives you free credits, so you can test everything without paying anything. And here's the final result. Honestly, it looks pretty impressive. But if you're still trying to figure out which AI video generator is actually worth using, and you're sick of jumping between different websites just to test a bunch of tools, you should definitely try HitPaw VikPea video generator. It's basically an all-in-one platform where you can access the latest AI video generators in one place. Like Google VO3, Klingai Pro, Hiluo AI, and Pixverse. They also have the newest and most popular AI video templates. Just click a template, get the prompt instantly, and generate a similar video with one click. It's super fast and super convenient. Click the link in the description and give it a try. That's all for today's video. If you get stuck at any step, leave a comment below. And for more AI tutorials and creative tips, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.